So one area we need to look at in a bit more detail is the financial sector, particularly its size and significance and the extent to which it needs regulating. So what is the financial sector? An organisation is in the financial sector if in some way it's involved in providing financial services and that could be to businesses or it could be to individuals. But that's a very broad term, and when you think about it, that's going to include a large number of different organisations, and that's right. So what's in the financial sector? Most obviously, you've got banks. So that could be central banks, like the Bank of England. It could be ordinary commercial banks, like Lloyd's or NatWest. Or it could be investment banks, like J.P. Morgan. Although some banks will do both of these things. So commercial banks are primarily involved in making loans to and kind of managing saving and so on for businesses and individuals. Investment banks operate to help businesses raise specialist finance, acting as what's sometimes called an intermediary between businesses and financial markets. But there are lots and lots of other institutions that form part of the financial sector. Insurance companies, which will provide you, with insurance on your house or your car or life insurance, those sorts of things. Pension companies, which will take your money and invest it, on your behalf, in generally, kind of shares and bonds, so that you can retire in the future. Anybody who's watched The Big Short will know about brokers, mortgage brokers, and credit rating agencies. If you haven't watched The Big Short, by the way, I strongly recommend it. The stock exchange itself is part of it, and then companies like Visa, Mastercard, which provide the means by which we can all actually go out and kind of spend money. Those are all part of the financial sector. So somebody thinks financial sector, says financial sector, it's not just banks, it's a very wide range of institutions that have an impact on you and the economy every day in a fairly significant way.